If you've ever been so skint that you've had to eat your cornflakes with hot water because you run out of milk, or you're down to your last pound in your bank account and you don't think you'll ever have enough money to invest, well, I'm here to prove you wrong, because I've been in that situation and worse ones. On my last portfolio update, I was at £15,000 and I knew that I could get to 20,000. But saying that, I'm not going to lie, you would think from 15,000 to 20,000 it'd be really easy, but where I got so obsessed with it, it did get a little bit difficult at times. And with my own contributions, I managed to get up to £19,150. And then something magical happened, the market. And while I was sitting at work, after getting a notification on my portfolio and checking in, I saw that my portfolio had gone over £20,000. I hadn't really done anything, I just added more money in, and with the market gaining, I made a £1,100 profit. Now since then, it has fluctuated up and down, but I'm quite confident now where the market's going. I am, without doing much work myself, I'm pretty sure from now on I will stay over the £20,000 goal. There will be the odd fluctuation, but the market will be going up. And with me investing more money, I'm pretty sure I can start getting this near to the £25,000 mark pretty soon. What I would like to draw some attention to is when I had 10,000 to 15,000, when there was fluctuations in the market, the gains were and losses were £50 here, £10, the odd £100 down, the odd £100 up. You know, the fluctuations from having or getting near to the 20,000 mark is, you know, in one day you can make £300. You can also lose £300, but more often the market goes up. So that's real passive income that's happening, and that's real compounding. And like I've said before, I've had to work quite hard for this money. I am on below minimum wage. I have to do extra agency work to get my money up. I have learnt how to live off my day job, and the money, extra money that I make from my agency work, that all goes into my portfolio, and that's really helped. But it can be done. Even if you're on a small amount of money, it can be done. And once you start getting to that, I'd say £17,000 mark, once those market gains happen, they really do help you out. I've recently put some money into JetQ quite a bit, and I'm happy with the gains that I've made from that. And I've made a few changes on my portfolio, and I will be doing a separate video going into the JetQ performance if you're interested, and that'll be out pretty soon. Now, good luck with your investing journey. Anyone can do this, no matter how skint you are. You can do it. You don't need to be earning loads of money. You just need to learn how to live off the money you got, and try and make that little bit extra now and again to boost up your portfolio. Good luck with your journey, and God bless all of you.